Tickets for a movie premiere cost $18.50 each, while bulk purchase price for 5 tickets is $80. If 4 gentlemen decided to get the 50% to join them so that they can share the bulk purchase price equally, the question asks is how much will each person save? So this is the question. Let me attempt to answer it now. Solution to this: if I go back to the question, digest it once more. The price for just one ticket, for individual ticket, is $18.50. But if we are to buy 5 in bulk, the cost will be $80 for the 5 tickets. So there are 4 gentlemen that want to buy the tickets, but the bulk is for 5 tickets. So they need to get the 50% to join them so that they can buy the 5 tickets in bulk. And the question asked is how much would each person save if they can get the 50% so that they can join or they can buy the 5 bulk tickets. So this is the question. So let me attempt to answer it now. What I will do first is to get the bulk price per ticket. If they were able to get the 50% so that they can buy 5 bulk tickets, what will be the price of one if it is 5 bulk? So price for bulk tickets will now be equals to $80, and the amount for the 5 tickets divided by 5. That will give the price for just one. So dividing 80 by 5 gives us $16. So each person, if they can be able to get the 50%, each one will pay $16 for just one ticket instead $18.50. So which means the amount that they're going to save, each one will now save amount equals to, normally they were supposed to pay this if it were not bulk, but now they are paying this $16. So the amount that they're going to save will now be the normal price for individual ticket minus the bulk price per ticket, which is 16. So $18.50 minus $16. That will give answer $2.50. This is now the amount that each person is going to save. So let us see the market distribution according to the Waec marking scheme for this very question. The first mark is the method mark, which is the M1 mark for dividing $80 by 5, meaning attempting to get the price per ticket if it is bulk price. So divided by 5, 80 divided by 5, you have the method mark 1. Then the next mark is where you are trying to subtract the price for bulk per ticket from the normal price per ticket. So this subtraction will enable you 1 mark, method mark, and the final mark is the accuracy mark when the amount saved by each is equals to $2.50. So in total this question has 3 marks according to the Waec marking scheme.